Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Kenny versus Poverty and the Poverty Family. So today, what I want to show you guys, y'all seen that hair get stuck in my mouth? But what I want to show you guys is how I repaired my credit in 3 months. 3 months. It took me 3 months to go from absolutely ass, not all the way good, but I'm making good strides and I'm doing good things. Hey man, what you do? Tighten up, man.
I'm trying
to tighten up, brother. So, first thing I did, right? First thing I did when y'all remember when Don T sent out them stimulus packages? You know what I'm talking about? He put them boys on with that 1,200. Y'all remember that? It was a long time ago, man. Y'all might have forgot. So look, when he did that, the first thing I decided to do was, I said, how can I use this money to invest in me? The idea came across my mind. Use the money to invest in rebuilding your credit.
What spiders can do.
Oh, I like the spiders, mama. Use the money to rebuild your credit. You've been messed off. I had the only credit card I ever had, right? I finally qualified for a credit card in my whole life. Like 4 years ago, I had Capital One. I kept it for like 2 years, and then it got cut off. So it's been cut off for like almost 2 years now. So I said, let me invest in fixing my credit. I went and got my credit report. I seen what was on there. There wasn't really nothing on there. There wasn't no good or no bad. I was like, oh yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's good money. So I used that stimulus as a secured loan at my bank. First secured loan. I'm making payments. After, what I probably say 4 weeks of making untimed payments on my stimulus, I then used my paycheck to secure a secured credit card. Right? So then I put a little bit of money. I got my first credit card of 2020. I got a secured credit card, and then 2021, whatever, you know, y'all know what I'm talking about. So I got a secured credit card. Made the payments. So by the time the next stimulus came, I had already paid off that first stimulus. So I was able to get an additional secured loan for a bigger amount. Meanwhile, secured, so when I'm saying secured, some people may not know what that means. Secured means that you secure the funding with your own money. So technically, I had them lock up an amount of money at the bank. That was my own money, and I made payments on my own money to show them that I'm trustworthy with money, right? When you're rebuilding your credit, you gotta prove your trustworthiness when it comes to money. So I proved that I was trustworthy with money by locking up my own money. And I'm gonna go over the details of what I'm doing and, you know, finally getting some love back in the city. But in a second here, I am gonna open up my third credit card of 2021. Man, y'all ain't hearing me. And the amounts are low as hell. So, you know what I'm saying? Don't think about robbing me, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no stunner. I ain't got no money. I'm still broke. But
I can smell somebody.
Oh, baby, I ain't got no money? Bullshit. I see you shining, nigga. I can smell a motherfucker with money.
Ooh. This is going to be my third credit card. My third credit card. Y'all hear what I'm talking about? All right,
yo,
I'll come back to y'all in a minute. All right, guys. So we're gearing up and getting ready to. Now we're gonna go into. I don't know if you can see. We're getting ready to look at this little girl. You're cool. Where's my baby shoes, bro?
You're cool.
But we're getting ready to go into Dollar car sales. Dollar, the car rental place, because one, they have the newer, here, hold that. They have the newer vehicles for a little bit lower. We did go to a dealership. We didn't get it on camera, man, but we went to a dealership to get the car, man. They said it was one price. They added like 10,000 more as soon as we got to the table. So we're about to see now. We're about to see now what happens when we go in here. I called them on the phone again. They said it was one price. Let's go see if we can reserve and lock in that price. And continue our elevation strategy, guys.
Can I close the ceiling?
We'll be back in just a minute.
We ain't no beating around the bush, bro. You gotta go through me. The M-O-double-B, that's a very rare ruby. A smart little freak, but her head game goofy. Ain't gotta run game, she be seeing right through me. First time she said my name, it was killer, come and do me. You know, right? So I did it.
All right, y'all. The moment of reckoning is here. First of all, here's what I can appreciate. Y'all see that there's no indication as to what this is, and they do that to protect your identity, as well as make sure that the mailman don't rob you, pimp. You know what I'm talking about? So when we take that out, what does that say?
Discover.
Man, come on, man. I ain't never in my life thought I'd get to feel these letters, man. You know what I'm talking about?
How'd you know there? What? You gotta bend this up.
Well, I know, hold on, man. Let me. Can I? You gotta let me appreciate all it. You know how much hard work it took to get this? I need to appreciate it, man.
Gold.
Come on, man.
Gold.
Come on, man.
Remember last time you went through the underworld to get that thing activated.
Come on, man. Oh yeah, no. Hey, look, back. You talking about when we got stuck at Walmart?
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy, that was bad. That was bad. We was big embarrassed. Well, we wasn't embarrassed, but other people would have been big embarrassed. So,
Hey, it was like Kevin Hart. Swipe.
So the
Wait,
biggest
what?
thing, guys, is even though it's a secure card, so technically it's like putting $200 on a debit card, or $400, or $500, or $800, however much money you want to put on there, but $200 is the minimum. It's like putting that on a debit card, but
So you can't put on with 150?
No. So you got the ability to tap, insert, swipe, you know, all the regular stuff. But what I want to get to for you guys is some of the benefits of having Discover. Redeem any amount, free social security inquiry and new account alerts, freeze your account in seconds, 0 fraud liability guarantee. You're never responsible for unauthorized purchases on your Discover card. Come on, man. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know the vines. You know the vines. Ooh, boom. There we go. So earn 2% cashback bonus at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. 2% cash back. I get money back when I spend money on my card. Unlimited 1% cash back. Automatically earn unlimited 1% cash back on all other purchases. Come on, man. Do your debit card got benefits, y'all? Man, y'all ain't hear me. Cashback match will automatically match all the cash back you've earned at the end of your first year. There's no signing up, no limit to how much will match. And with that being said, guys, man, work on your credit. You know what I'm saying? From me to you. And then let me know, because, you know what I'm saying, I make more, you know, credit repair guides and stuff, like just my own personal journey. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know y'all got the gurus and all the stuff, but, you know what I'm saying, this me coming to y'all. I got up, my highest my credit ever been is a 690, got it to a 690, decided that the poverty mentality inside of me was taking over my rational brain, decided to hit some licks on my damn self. That's the worst thing you could possibly do, over and over and over again. Got into my 30s, decided that I do want to prioritize and then leverage my credit to make me residual income. So then that's the journey I'm on now. My credit right now is in the high 5s, low 6s, depending on who you ask. But I'm working, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gonna continue to see me elevate. All right, with that being said, from me to you, I love you guys. We out.